I'm Elie Seckbach reporting. Boxing star, Latondria Tantan Jones. How you feeling these days? You're smiling, you look in shape, you look ready?
Yeah,
six pack and everything?
Yeah, you already know that. What's going on?
What do you think of Mayweather McGregor? I mean, back in the day you called out Ronda Rousey before it was popular, and then she got knocked.
Great on the undercard, right? Hey, but hey.
You and Holly Holm would be a good fight.
That'd be a real damn good fight. Hell yeah.
All right.
Take that any day.
Break down Mayweather McGregor.
That's not really even a question. Come on, you know Mayweather, of course, most definitely.
Knockout, decision.
Knockout.
What round?
I give him the 6th round.
And how is he gonna do it? Show me.
You want me to show you? Just gonna do that straight to the body, that's still fresh.
Holly said that when you hit counter to the body, he makes sounds like a girl.
That's what I'm saying.
What kind of sounds does a girl make when she gets hit to the body? Because you've hit them like that. That's what they sound like when you hit your opponent.
Yeah.
So that's what counter sounds like.
Absolutely. But most definitely, you know, Mayweather gonna come on top. Most definitely.
What's next for you? Do you know yet?
Man, hopefully something good. I mean, I was supposed to fight August 22nd. And I don't have an opponent, unfortunately. But I just dropped my weight down to 147. So.
I could see that. Yeah, You're looking like you look 10 years younger.
Yeah. So I'm waiting on my next opponent, and hopefully it'll be something good.
The undercard of this fight is packed. You have Badou Jack, Gervonta Davis, you have Kevin Newman, you have Sean Porter fighting Thomas Delorme, you have Andrew Tabiti. Is Jay Leon Love on this card, or is he in 22nd?
I think he on it. They switched him to 22nd because Mickey Bay, I guess he was supposed to fight.
Yes, and he
got hurt, unfortunately. But yeah, I think he on the 22nd now.
For all the fans out there, what makes Floyd Mayweather so great?
Man, his hard work and dedication, that's what brought him here. That's what makes him great.
Just simple as that. Just work hard and be dedicated. But everybody works hard. Everybody's dedicated.
No, not necessarily. Like, his drive is totally different. When some people get to a certain amount of money, they whole aura change.
I've seen that.
So he worked like he ain't got $1 in his pocket. And so that's the motivation.
That's the key. Train like a challenger.
Absolutely.
And for all the women fighters out there, anyone you want to call out, anyone with a strap that's on your hip.
That's all I want.
Okay, who is?
I don't care.
147. Who got it?
It's open.
Anybody can get it.
Anybody can get it.
You're the can woman.
Absolutely.
Anybody can get it.
Anybody can get it, man.
At Latondria Jones.
At Latondria Jones. At Instagram. Facebook. Yeah, sort of.
Instagram. That's where it is. FeedsReport.com. Right, Seckbach reporting.
All right.
So there you have it. Another great video for ES News. For ESNewsReporting.com, I'm Elie Seckbach reporting. And you can follow me on Twitter at Seckbach. And you can follow me on Instagram at Elie Seckbach.